91
91.
91.
الجمل الجانبية باستخدام أن. 1.
Subordinate clauses. That. 1.
Subordinate clauses. 1.
ربما سيتحسن الطقس غدا.
Perhaps the weather will get better tomorrow.
Perhaps the weather will get better tomorrow.
كيف عرفت هذا؟
How do you know that?
How do you know that?
أأمل أنه سيتحسن.
I hope that it gets better.
I hope that it gets better.
سيأتي بكل تأكيد.
He will definitely come.
He will definitely come.
هل هذا أكيد؟
Are you sure?
Are you sure?
أعلم أنه سيأتي.
I know that he'll come.
I know that he'll come.
سيتصل بالتأكيد.
He'll definitely call.
He'll definitely call.
حقا؟
Really?
Really?
أعتقد أنه سيتصل.
I believe that he'll call.
I believe that he'll call.
النبيت عتيق مؤكدا.
The wine is definitely old.
The wine is definitely old.
أتعرف ذلك بالضبط؟
Do you know that for sure?
Do you know that for sure?
أظن أنه عتيق.
I think that it is old.
I think that it is old.
مديرنا يبدو حسن المظهر.
Our boss is good looking.
Our boss is good looking.
أترى هكذا؟
Do you think so?
Do you think so?
أنا أرى حتى أنه يبدو حسنا جدا.
I find him very handsome.
I find him very handsome.
لديه المدير صديقة بالتأكيد.
The boss definitely has a girlfriend.
The boss definitely has a girlfriend.
أتعتقد ذلك حقا؟
Do you really think so?
Do you really think so?
إنه ممكن جدا أن لديه صديقة.
It is very possible that he has a girlfriend.
It is very possible that he has a girlfriend.
إذا أعجبكم الفيديو لا تنسوا الضغط على زر إعجاب ومشاركة الفيديو مع أصدقائكم ثم الاشتراك في قناتنا على اليوتيوب لتوصل بكل جديد. اشتركوا في قنواتنا للغات وتابعونا على مواقع التواصل الاجتماعي.